Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making Salisbury steak casserole. Alright, I'm starting out in a large bowl. I have roughly about 2 pounds of ground beef, a half of an onion, and a half of a green bell pepper. I put in a food processor and diced up real fine. Now I'm going to start by adding about a tablespoon of my McCormick's Himalayan pink salt, black pepper, garlic. Has some onion in there, some bell pepper. If you don't have that, little salt, little pepper, little garlic powder, onion powder will work just fine. I'm going to crack an egg in here. I'm going to put in some Worcestershire sauce. This will help give it that classic Salisbury steak flavor. Probably about 3 tablespoons or so. And I have some Italian seasoned breadcrumb. I'm going to add probably about a half a cup of that in. And I'm going to get in here and get this all mixed up. Alright, now that I have my ground beef all mixed up in a large skillet I have preheating, I'm going to make these about the size of a pool bowl. And I'm just going to flatten them into patties. Put a little divot in the middle to keep them from curling up on us. And I'm going to fry up all of my Salisbury steaks, get them nice and brown. Alright, now that my steaks are all browned up, I pulled them out and set them aside. In that frying pan, I'm going to add 3 cups of water. And I seasoned my steaks with a little more of my McCormick seasoning while they were frying. And I have my heat set on medium. I'm going to put in 3 packs of brown gravy mix. We're making this easy, guys. This here is for busy people, people who don't have experience cooking, or people who just don't want to take the time to make everything from scratch. And I'm going to go ahead and put those 3 packs of gravy mix in there. And that little bit of hamburger bits on the bottom, that's going to help season the gravy even more. So you just want to whisk that in there. And I'm going to allow this to come up to a gentle simmer and thicken up the gravy. Alright, now that my gravy's thickened, we're going to put this together. I'm starting out here. I have some cornbread stuffing I made. This is just instant. We're keeping this easy today. I'm going to get that down in the bottom of a 9x13 baking pan. And there's no need to grease this. And you just want to spread it out. Alright, now I'm going to layer my Salisbury steaks in here. And these aren't completely cooked through, but we're going to put this in the oven. So this is going to... Alright, now I'm going to take my gravy and I'm going to ladle this over top of the Salisbury steaks and the stuffing. You just want to get that all over down in there over the stuffing, over the Salisbury steaks. And like I said, guys, this is an easy casserole to put together on a busy work day. Let's get it all down in there. Looking good. Now I made some instant mashed potatoes. You can make homemade if you like, but I just wanted to make instant to keep it easy. You just want to lob these on top. Alright, now that I have all my mashed potatoes on there, scrape the pan out. I'm going to take my spoon and just spread them out a little bit. And try not to do what I'm doing, work your gravy up over top of the potatoes. It's not going to hurt nothing, but it don't look as pretty. And guys, I will be so happy when fall comes because I'm tired of house flies and the heat and all that nonsense. Alright, now I'm going to cover this with foil, put it in a 400-degree oven for 10 minutes. Alright, this just came out of the oven, it's ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I garnished this with a little parsley for some color. Let me get in here and try this. I'm going to go right for the Salisbury steak and the potatoes. Get some of that gravy. Man, is that good. The beef patties taste like Salisbury steak because of the green pepper in there, the seasoning, and the Worcestershire sauce. You get that rich gravy, creamy potatoes. Let me get some of the stuffing. It's delicious. Salisbury steak casserole. Thanks for watching and supporting me, and remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.